Om Shanti. Thank you. So, as she was also reminding you all about the homework, I hope you all did the meditation practice yesterday. The whole day today also. And also, while yesterday Vandana Ben was concluding, I saw one question and I couldn't answer that because I also had to move on to the next online class. So it was about patience. Someone had asked, how can I cultivate patience? For that, you just ask, why do you become impatient? तो ये क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए? All those thoughts make you impatient. Most of the time, your mind works in either of the two modes. One is resistance or acceptance. When you resist things, you become impatient. You become tensed. When you accept, patience aa hi jayega. So, when you come across such situations where you become impatient, the first thing what you have to do is just accept whatever is happening. Just tell yourself, yes, okay, I accept the person as he or she is. I accept the situation. Because it's already happening. Whether I accept it or not, it's happening. So let me accept it. Because when I resist, I become impatient. And with the practice of meditation, I need patience. That means what happens when I sit in meditation, I get tensed when there is any disturbance outside. So I lose my patience. मेडिटेशन में बैठते समय ही ना मुझे फोन कॉल आता है या कोई कॉलिंग बेल बजा देते हैं. People say that only till that time there was no disturbance. जब मैं मेडिटेशन में बैठती हूँ ना तभी ये डिस्टर्बेंस आता है. छह ये जो शब्द आप कहेंगे ना, छह, बस हो गया. So you lose your calmness. So that's where we need to learn the art of acceptance. It's, of course, a wonderful topic. And okay, let's begin with the minute of silence. Meditation practice. Hope you all know. First is relaxing your body muscles, and then observe the surroundings as a detached observer, and then withdraw, focus on your breathing, and then tell yourself there is peace within me, right? Chalo. Sit relaxed. Let your backbone be straight. When you meditate, there are three options for your hand posture. Like one is, keeping your one hand over the other and resting it on your lap. And second option is keep like this and then rest it on your lap. And third option is, just keep your hands on your thighs. Rest your hands on your thighs and then relax. कोई भी आपको जो भी convenient है, comfortable है, you can use that. I sit comfortably. I relax all the muscles of my body. From head to toe, whole body is relaxed. I am aware of my surroundings. There are some sounds and movements around me. I observe them as a detached observer. I slowly withdraw my attention from the surroundings and focus inwards on my breathing. I breathe in, breathe out. I breathe in peace. Peace gets filled in my lungs. I breathe out all worries. There is peace within me. I am a peaceful being. I am spreading the vibrations of peace all around me, making this atmosphere peaceful. Om Shanti. Open your eyes with a smile on your face. Just go within, just be silent and go within and tell yourself, I am peaceful. I am a peaceful being. See, there is a seat of peace within us. Our true nature is peace. So when you remind yourself of that, you'll experience that calmness within you. And then that calmness will help you, to move on to the task, to your activities. It's just that we don't give that time. We don't get into the seat of peace. So we say that let us develop that habit to get into that seat of peace. I remember in 2003, there was a very big mega program, big mela in Marina Beach. And about more than 100,000 people gathered. And all our teen dadiyan aaye hue the. So at that time, I was there on the stage, stage arrangement की सेवा में बहुत सारी सेवाएं, तो इधर उधर मैं भाग रही थी. And suddenly I got a message in my cell phone from my very senior, older, elderly brother. He said, he had just messaged, while doing seva, I hope you are doing it sitting on the seat of peace. एक ही message भेजा था. So immediately, I just reminded myself of that seat of peace. So I am peace. There is peace within me. ऐसे करने से ना immediately, whatever, I had that tension or little whatever I had, I could calm down myself. So, that's the practice we all do. It's not that, because we are meditation teachers and we are meditators, we don't have any tension at all. We don't have any stressful situation. We don't meet any stressful situation. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. जैसे आप है वैसे हम भी है. because we also meet many people and we travel to many places, so we all are on the same plane. But the thing is, we learn to manage. It's not that we don't get tense. I don't get tensed, but I know how to manage those thoughts. So that's where the meditation comes. Okay, let me share the screen. I want to ask you this question. Do you want your mind to be like a jungle with weeds? Or do you want your mind to be like a garden? क्या चाहिए आपको? Naturally, सब कहेंगे garden, right? लेकिन weeds grow on their own, है ना? Garden needs maintenance. Do you agree? Yeah? So, if you want your mind to be like a garden, are you ready for the maintenance? Huh? Meditation is the maintenance of the mind. If you maintain it daily, you will get a beautiful garden growing in your mind. And if you don't maintain it, and if you think it's a waste of time, कई लोग कहते हैं ना, हाँ मेडिटेशन करना है, सिर्फ बोलना नहीं. I would love to have such a experience of peacefulness. I really want to do meditation. अरे मुझे अभी तो क्या है, ये मैंगो सीजन है. I want Alfonso mango. I'm not able to go out. मुझे बहुत I love it. तो मुझे बहुत प्यारा है. I really like it. So मैं क्या करूंगी? चलो हम जाएंगे, पैदल ही जाएंगे, थोड़ा मार्केट में जाएंगे, फिर कहाँ अल्फोंसो मिलता है तो खरीद के आएंगे. Then I will eat it because I want it. I goodly wanted it and I got it and I ate it. तो चलिए ऐसे हम, when we say that I really need it, I really want it, and it is, we always use the phrase, it's high time. तो करना चाहिए. You need to put some effort, right? शांति चाहिए, लेकिन शांति के लिए सारे दिन में आप क्या एफर्ट डाल रहे हो? What do you do to get shanti? You want it, but what do you do? Just think about it. So, are you ready for the maintenance? Otherwise, the weeds will start growing. So, what thoughts do you actually create on a daily basis? So that whether it results in a weed or a garden. What thoughts we create on a daily basis that results in a weed or a garden growing in the mind? What you talk with yourself waters this weed or garden. That is what is called self-talk. आप अपने आप से बातें करते हो. If you're talking with yourself something negative, then the weed will grow. If you're talking with yourself something positive, something empowering, something uplifting, motivating, then a garden will grow. What is a self-talk? What is self-talk? क्योंकि हमने देखा कल मेडिटेशन में क्या होता है, you You go within and then you talk with yourself. There is self introspection. और अपने बारे में आप पॉजिटिव सोचने वाले हो मेडिटेशन में. Okay? So, what is actually self-talk? It is internal dialogue. Self-talk refers to the internal dialogue that goes on in our minds constantly. See, every situation has two components. ध्यान से सुनना. Every situation has two components. One is the facts in the situation, and number two, the story I tell myself about those facts. कुछ हो रहा है, लेकिन उसके बारे में मैं क्या सोच रही हूं? What is the story I am telling myself about those facts? So the story I tell myself in any situation, that is the self-talk. जैसे आप देखिए, मैंने ये वीड और गार्डन का दिखाया, तो तुरंत आपके मन में आए ना, वाह, दैट्स अ गुड एग्जाम्पल. किसी ने वो चैट में भी डाला, तो तुरंत एक आवाज तो आता है ना मन में. That's the self-talk. So if the story I tell myself is positive, then there is this positive emotional reactions or positive experience of happiness ho ya lightness ho. So self-talk is the story I tell myself. Okay, it's an internal dialogue. It's the story I tell myself in any situation. So there are, some people always, or most of the time, they talk negative about themselves. They go, I'm not good enough. I'm not fair enough. I am really out of shape. अपने जो they really worry about their shape or form, and some have this talk like, I don't have any luck at all in my life. The only kind of luck I have is bad luck. एक भाई बार बार यही कहता था. Then and that's the internal negative dialogue some people have. Why should I try? It's not going to work anyway. I never win anything. Sometimes I wish I would never been born. ऐसे भी संकल्प आता है, अंदर ही अंदर. So thoughts that push you into the position of weakness, they are the part of negative self-talk. So what is a positive self-talk? Positive self-talk can make a biggest difference in a situation. So the way you talk to yourself creates your reality. It's true. Don't let yourself stay stuck in negativity. Choose positivity in all situations. So you need to add something in the picture. You need to do something when there is a lot of tension outside. And as Vandana Ben was sharing that story, fear बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है. So दूसरों का fear देख करके खुद को डर आ जाता है खुद में. So it's very infectious. So what should I do? अंदर ही अंदर बहुत सारा संकल्प आ रहा है. So I need to just be aware of that self-talk and then stop करना चाहिए. Stop करने के लिए बहुत सालों से मैं यह एक टेक्निक मैं यूज कर रही हूँ कि yesterday also I shared this with you, that put a smile on your face. ये बहुत अच्छा टूल है. I was very new to this सेवा. ग्रेजुएशन पूरा करके ऐसे सेंटर पर ब्रह्मा कुमारी सेंटर पे समर्पित हो गई. And I was in the newly opened center, and I had to cook every Thursday भोग 100 लोगों के लिए या एटलीस्ट 50 लोगों के लिए at one time. मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग बनाना है, तो एक समय एटलीस्ट आई गेट द चांस. तो इतने लोगों को बनाना है. एवरी वेडनेसडे मेरे अंदर वो टेंशन शुरू हो जाता है वेडनेसडे शाम, बिकॉज थर्सडे मॉर्निंग आई हैव टू प्रिपेयर भोग. तो मैंने सोचा भोग बनाना है, भगवान को ऑफर करना है. सो ऐसे टेंशन स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में मुझे नहीं करना है, ये गलत है. इतना शांति से परमात्मा की याद में बनाना है ना. तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा ये सेवा मैं नहीं करूंगी. I thought it is a wise decision. तो मैंने सीधा मेरी बड़ी बहन से मिलने गई and I told her, बहन जी I get tensed, so मैं भोग बनाना नहीं चाहती हूँ. Could you please send someone to prepare भोग every Thursday? And she just with a pause she said, okay. And I was very happy that she's going to send someone. And the next words she said, you are going to prepare. बस हो गया, चली गई. लेकिन she added something. She said, you are going to prepare with a smile on your face. तो बड़ों के सामने मैं कुछ नहीं बोलती थी, हाँ जी कपट. तो मैं वापस आ गई and I kept ready all the ingredients the previous night. फिर सुबह सुबह अमृत वेले में उठ के मैंने भोग बनाना शुरू किया. So slight tension आया, तो immediately I put a smile on my face and I could immediately see the difference. मन के अंदर जो भी टेंस्ड थॉट्स और वेस्ट था, जो भी चल रहा था, तो इमीडिएटली स्टॉप हो गया. It was just a plastic smile in the beginning, but I was carrying throughout the same smile, and that वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा टूल है. आप भी ट्राई करके देखना. अगर आप लंबे क्यू में बैठे हैं वैक्सीनेशन के लिए या ऐसा वेट करना पड़ रहा है, ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन भी नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ भी, तो इमीडिएटली you just put a smile, तो तुरंत संकल्पों का भी एक ये होगा, स्टॉप होगा. You can try. This is 1-2 technique. तो कैसे भी करके मेरे अंदर की जो अंदर टॉक चल रहा है ना, वो इंटरनल डायलॉग जो नेगेटिव और वेस्ट के तरफ जा रहा है, तो आई हैव टू बी अवेयर एंड आई हैव टू स्टॉप. So do not let yourself stuck in any negativity or waste. So choose positivity in all situations. It's okay to acknowledge the feelings you're having at that time, but please don't encourage them. Don't dwell on them. और अपने बारे में भी अच्छा ही सोचना है. Of course, we all have some weaknesses. It's there, and we do mistakes. but it doesn't mean that I always blame myself. Self-talk. So, few examples, positive self-talk. I am smart, I am confident, capable, I can do this task. Apne andar. I failed in that, but I am not a failure. And yes, I can make some time for exercise. I'm busy, but yet I can make some time. I'll give another try. Okay, this did not work this time. I made a mistake. Okay, let me give another try. So such thoughts that push you into the position of strength. That is positive self-talk. And consequences of self-talk. Negative self-talk होगा तो naturally क्या होता है? You feel, frustrated, helpless, and you lose that self-confidence, and it increases fear of failure. And positive self-talk, it really enhances your self-esteem. It motivates you, and it allows you to control the emotions. When you talk positive within yourself, you can easily control your emotional reactions. So, check yourself at any situation. What kind of self-talk are you doing? Don't judge, but just observe and see. Be watchful about what you talk to yourself. Be kind to yourself. You deserve your own love. Chaliye, let's do a small exercise, which recently I did it with the children. Chalo, हम सब भी बच्चे हैं ना? We always want to be children, right? Chalo. So I want all of you to hug yourself like this. Okay, hug yourself tightly. It may sound weird to someone, but it's okay. We are hardly taught how to love ourselves. Okay, you'll learn it. You deserve your own love and affection. Chaliye, abhi you can close your eyes. Hug yourself tightly and then close your eyes. Feel your hug. As you hug yourself, make these thoughts. I accept myself as I am. Gently, deeply, slowly tell this to yourself. I accept myself as I am. I forgive myself. May I be strong, healthy, happy. I am strong. Open your eyes, come back to normal position. It's very important that I give myself my love and affection to myself. Both mind and body will respond positively when you do that. So yes, you can do this exercise as many times as you want. Very simple, but very effective. So talk to yourself in the way you would talk to a child. I'm so proud of you. I believe in you. चलो मैं आपको माफ कर देती हूँ. I'm there with you. And another strong phrase is you are stronger than you think you are. So you tell your name, अपने आप को ऐसे अपना नाम लेके कहना चाहिए, you're stronger than you think you are. चलिए अभी हम एक और मेडिटेशन प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, पॉजिटिव सेल्फ टॉक करेंगे. Sit straight. Relax your body muscles. I sit comfortably. I release all the tension in the muscles of my body. Relaxed. I am aware of my surroundings. I accept whatever is happening around me. As a detached observer, I acknowledge the sounds and movements around me. I slowly withdraw my attention from outside and focus on my breathing. There is peace within me. I am unique. I am special. I accept myself as I am. I am strong. I am a powerful soul. I am healthy. I am happy. I am stronger than I think I am. I am a powerful soul. I have all the powers to understand the situation, face, and overcome. I am a sweet child of God. I am a peaceful being, spreading the vibrations of peace. Om Shanti, Shanti. So meditation में ये अगला स्टेप है कि अपने अंदर you start this positive self-talk. At any situation, be aware of what you talk to yourself. Because once you are aware of your self-talk, you would know, चलो ये नेगेटिव सेल्फ टॉक चल रहा है मेरे अंदर, क्योंकि वो सीन देखते ही शुरू हो जाता है मन में. उसी समय रोकना चाहिए, उसी समय देखना चाहिए कौन सा स्टोरी, what type of story I am telling. This is a wonderful habit we all need to develop. उसी समय रोकेंगे और उसको चैनलाइज करेंगे, really helpful. This is what controlling your mind, or this is what training your mind or channelizing your thoughts. Very profound. So you become aware. So once you become aware, what should you do? It's not like, when you see yourself, some people think that when I, see myself, self introspect करती हूँ, तो मैं देखती हूँ मेरे अंदर ये है, इतना गलती, इतना ये weakness है. It's not, it's self introspection is not to judge yourself. Seeing yourself, it's not to judge yourself, but to understand and learn. तो मेडिटेशन में हम बैठते हैं, अपने बारे में अच्छा संकल्प हम लाते हैं, और साथ साथ हमारे अंदर की जो भी वीकनेसेस है वो भी दिखाई देता है. क्या मन में चल रहा है ना, वो थॉट्स, वो भी दिखाई देता है. So what will you do? Do not judge, understand and learn. क्योंकि you are the gardener of your mind, है ना? So good gardening means क्या है? Good maintenance. Otherwise weeds will grow. So what kind of maintenance can you do on daily basis? Learn to understand everything that you feel. And there is another thing, like our aim is not to force positive thoughts. चलो मुझे ये संकल्प नहीं आना चाहिए, I have to think positive, I am good, I can do it. No, it's not forcing yourself. ऐसे कोई नेगेटिव थॉट्स को दबा के फिर उसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव थॉट्स को ऐसे लाना by force, ऐसा नहीं है. That is not positive thinking. तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We transform the negative ones into something healthier. So you can feel better. So that you can feel better. क्योंकि unhealthy thoughts से you feel sad. क्योंकि ऐसा वेस्ट थॉट्स आया है तो उससे क्या रिजल्ट है? You feel sad. You feel sad, bad or mad. So if you want to feel better, learn to transform the negative ones. Our dominant thoughts significantly influence our emotions. तो हम क्यों ना हम पॉजिटिव थॉट्स को डोमिनेंट करें, जितना हो सके हम पॉजिटिव सोचने का प्रयास करें. It's all in the prayas or that practice, developing that habit. And normally people say, sister, ये जो नेगेटिव थॉट्स है ना वो ऑटोमेटिक आता है, बट पॉजिटिव थॉट्स ऐसा नहीं आ रहा है. एंड यू आर सेइंग दैट क्रिएट पॉजिटिव थॉट, लेकिन नेगेटिव थॉट को हम क्रिएट ही नहीं करते, ऑटोमेटिकली आते हैं. सो कोई भी ऑटोमेटिक कब होता है, बहुत दिन का अभ्यास हो तो तभी ऑटोमेटिक आएगा ना. आप एक जगह से दूसरे जगह आप चलो मैं रॉयपेटा से वेलचेरी में एक मॉल है, बहुत सालों से मैंने सुना, अभी तक गई नहीं हूँ. एक बड़ा मॉल है, तो मैं रॉयपेटा से गाड़ी निकाल के मैं जा रही हूँ समझो. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ टू टर्न राइट और लेफ्ट, तो नेचुरली आई बी वेरी कॉन्शियस कहाँ लेफ्ट टर्न लेना है, राइट टर्न लेना है. सो सारा आई सी द मैप एंड गूगल मैप एंड सब देख करके आई बी वेरी वेरी कॉन्शियस. एंड द सेकेंड टाइम व्हेन आई गो थोड़ा लेस कॉन्शियस, फिर तीसरी बार फोर्थ टाइम, फिफ्थ टाइम, बहुत बार गई चुकी हूँ. तो देन नेचुरली व्हेन आई स्टार्ट द गाड़ी, सीधा वहां जाकर के रुक जाएगी ऑटोमेटिकली, लेफ्ट राइट. कैसे ऑटोमेटिक हुआ? बहुत दिनों के अभ्यास. सो नेगेटिव थॉट्स ऑटोमेटिकली, इसका मतलब क्या है? बहुत सालों का अभ्यास है या बहुत जन्मों का अभ्यास, कुछ भी कहो. तो अभी मुझे पॉजिटिविटी, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग ऑटोमेटिक आना चाहती हूँ, लाना चाहती हूँ. तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना है? आई नीड टू डेवलप दैट हैबिट. कैसे डेवलप करेंगे? 1000 miles जर्नी करना है तो एक स्टेप तो पहले रखना पड़ेगा ना. So that's where we say that this meditation is that's how in meditation we look within, we stop and we create, we understand. So it's actually some people assume that it's better to wipe out negative thoughts, number feelings, and move on to more positive thoughts and positive ideas. This is often ineffective because you're just trying to trick yourself into thinking things are okay, everything is fine. So ये नहीं हम करने वाले हैं. So do not suppress your negative thoughts, negative emotions. Do not suppress. Instead, understand and transform them. And for that, I am going to give you a formula so that you can remember. This is a 4A model. Aware, acknowledge, accept, and act. So when you have negative thoughts in your mind, how do you know that you are having negative thoughts? उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है? एक तो टेंशन होगा, फ्रस्ट्रेशन होगा, ये सब होगा ना. That's the end result of what is happening within you. So आप जब भी टेंशन में आ जाते हो, थोड़ा सा दुखी फीलिंग होता है, तो समझ लेना कि your mind is now filled with unwanted thoughts. So क्या करना है? First is I have to be aware of what is happening within me at the time. So become aware And then acknowledge that these are all waste thoughts, negative thoughts. ऐसे उसको लेबल कर लेना चाहिए. Acknowledge them. And then accept two things. One is, yes, मेरे अंदर ऐसे ऐसे संकल्प है. And दूसरा, मुझे ये भी accept करना है कि I can overcome this. I am capable of overcoming these thoughts. Accept that. क्योंकि हमारे अंदर वो शक्ति है. कोई भी ऐसे नहीं कह सकते कि मेरे अंदर ये शक्ति नहीं है. We all have that power. तो एक संकल्प को रोक के दूसरा संकल्प पैदा करना, ये शक्ति हमारे अंदर है. देखिए, आप तो इतना सारा घर का काम है, ये करना है, क्लीनिंग करना है, कल तो ये है, ये प्रोग्राम है, 2 दिन में मुझे ये सारा घर का सफाई या सेटलिंग सब कुछ करना है, मुझे टाइम ही नहीं है, लॉट ऑफ वर्क, ऐसा मन में संकल्प होगा, मे बी टेंस्ड. तो उसी समय आपके एक फैमिली मेंबर आते हैं कि कहते हैं कि देखिए, मैंने ये मूवी के लिए या ऐसे शो के लिए मैंने टिकट्स लेकर आई हूँ, चलो हम सब चलेंगे. तो तुरंत क्या हो जाता है, अभी तक आप you were saying that मुझे टाइम ही नहीं है, तो तुरंत मन में आ गया, चलो हम सब मिलके ये सब करेंगे, चलो, you will get time. Immediately संकल्प में एक चेंज आ जाता है. You have that power to change or transform. तो ऐसे हमारे अंदर की जो शक्तियां हैं उसको हम यूज करना है in such a positive way, to help ourselves. So first is become aware, acknowledge, and then accept that you can overcome. You can do it. You are capable. And then fourth is act. That is, you create a positive thought. Counteracting positive thought. जो भी नेगेटिव थॉट्स चल रहा है, तो उसका जो काउंटरैक्ट करने के लिए उसका ऑपोजिट जो पॉजिटिव थॉट है, you create that thought. That is 4th A. So change from negative to positive. Few examples. How can I be so dumb? तो उसको कैसे चेंज करेंगे? Relax. होता है, मिस्टेक्स तो होता है. It's okay. No, I can't deal with this. तो उसको चेंज करना, चलो, whatever happens, I will handle it. No one likes me, but I like me. I can't do that. ऐसा संकल्प आता है, तो उसको चलो, I can't do that, but how can this be done? I give up. I'll never be able to do this. This is tough, but I am going to keep trying. तो तुरंत ऐसे चेंज करना चाहिए. जो भी डिफॉल्ट नेगेटिव आ रहा है ना, उसको रिप्लेस करना चाहिए पॉजिटिविटी में. आई एम श्योर आई विल फेल अगेन. तो तुरंत अपने अंदर बोलना चाहिए, जस्ट बिकॉज आई फेल लास्ट टाइम, इट डजंट मीन दैट आई विल फेल एवरी टाइम. लेट मी ट्राई. It's better for me to avoid facing many of life's difficulties rather than to risk failing. ऐसे avoid करते हैं, ऐसा संकल्प आता है. So you can just, okay, I accept myself. Even if I fail and I get rejected, I will still accept myself. Someone is making me feel depressed. Tell yourself, no one can make me feel anything. My emotions are the result of my choices. ऐसे अपने अंदर पॉजिटिव सेल्फ टॉक को बढ़ाना है. So when you recognize yourself about your thinking pattern, whether it is waste, negative, or overthinking, replace your thoughts with something positive and engage in positive action. And I would like to remind you once again the definition of meditation which I shared with you yesterday. And from that, it's the conscious generation of positive thoughts, and meditation is self-introspection in a relaxed state, an ability to talk to oneself with love. तो इसमें सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, अपने आप को देखना है, उसमें एक और इम्पोर्टेंट एक नॉलेज, एक ज्ञान, एक पॉइंट है कि खुद को जानना, knowing myself, knowing my true self. यहाँ ही स्पिरिचुअलिटी का लेसन आता है. Spirituality means it's knowledge about the self. So who am I? Who are you? सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन में पहला एक पार्ट है कि मेरे अंदर क्या क्या खूबियां हैं एंड क्या कमजोरियां. What are the specialities in me and weaknesses? तो आप लिस्ट निकाल सकते हो क्या क्या स्पेशलिटीज आपके अंदर है और वीकनेसेस है. That is realizing oneself, right? And next is the ultimate. Actually, who are you? Are you the matter or the consciousness? Who are you? Who is doing the thinking? Who are you really? There is a difference between the consciousness and matter. क्योंकि matter में क्या है, जड़, उसमें you see all these, there is this volume and mass है, size है. लेकिन consciousness कहो या thoughts कहो, mind कहो, that is metaphysical. It's not a matter. So there is a difference between the consciousness and the matter. So who am I? क्योंकि consciousness में क्या है? Thinking है, memory है, awareness है, observation, intuition, imagination, ये सब है. And a practical time to differentiate both the consciousness and matter is death. When the consciousness separates from the matter, that is called death. Okay? You have all the features, but the body doesn't work because the consciousness has left the body. तो वो consciousness कहो या हम दूसरा नाम कहते हैं कि आत्मा, soul. So I am metaphysical. I am a soul. I am a being of consciousness. I'm not this body of matter. I am a soul. You're not even this muscle, skeleton, because this body is made up of 5 elements of nature. You're not this body. You are a soul. A point of light sitting in the center of the forehead in between the eyebrows. So Atma, soul, is immortal. So you are a soul and you are an immortal being of light. And you're not this body, that which is made up of 5 elements of nature. तो ये जानना बहुत ही जरूरी है. Because that is the truth about my true self. And what is the relationship between the soul and body? It's like, shell के अंदर जो pearl है, कार में जो driver है. So this body is like a vehicle and I am the driver, the soul. I am residing in this body, but I am not this body. And I am the soul, I am the master of this body, I am the master of the 5 sense organs. I am the controller of these sense organs. So I am a light, I am seated in the center of the forehead, and I am a soul and I am eternal. और मैं आत्मा इस शरीर में आई हूँ. What is the purpose? To express and to experience. To express what? जो मेरे अंदर जो यूनिकनेस है उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए ही मैंने जन्म लिया है. इस शरीर के आधार से मुझे एक्सप्रेस करना है मेरे अंदर की जो भी खूबियां हैं. That is my purpose. And also experience whatever the world is offering me. I accept it and I take different experiences. And another important thing which about which you have to know about yourself is your original nature, the originality of soul, original quality of soul, that which is peace. तो आप एक आत्मा हैं, ये शरीर नहीं है. So, जैसे हम कहते हैं कि पानी का जो क्वालिटी है coolness, and you say fire, that heat. तो ऐसे आत्मा का गुण है शांति. That's the original nature of soul. So in meditation, I sit in silence and I start emerging my original nature. So उसके लिए मुझे ये जानना चाहिए कि मैं एक आत्मा हूँ, अविनाशी आत्मा हूँ, मैं ये शरीर नहीं हूँ. You're all souls. आत्मा, point of light, like a tiny white star sitting in the center of the forehead. मैं भी आत्मा हूँ, यहाँ बैठी हूँ. I see through these eyes and I speak through this mouth. But when I, the soul, like a tiny star, when I leave the body, this body will be burnt into ashes. But I, the soul, I go, and according to my karma, I take another body. I am imperishable soul. So this awareness of true self gives you, that strength, inner strength, because it helps you to emerge your original qualities. And we say that Atma ka 7 gun hai, 7 qualities: peace, happiness, love, purity, bliss, knowledge, and power. These are all the original qualities of soul. तो हमारे अंदर ये qualities है. These are all our innate qualities. So you need not try to become good. It is just that you have to emerge the goodness that is already within you. तो राज योगा मेडिटेशन में हम वही करते हैं. You focus on your true self, that you're reminding yourself and you start experiencing that you are a peaceful soul and you are a loving soul and you are a powerful soul. Yeah. So with this, I would like to conclude today's session. See, when the parents are alive, how would they want their children to be? They want their children to be happy and not sad, right? So even if the souls leave the body, the parents are no more, I mean, they are, they have left the body, but still they would love their children to be happy, not grieving or mourning or, depressed. And yes, when we lose someone very near and dear, we really feel sad. We don't say that because we understand the awareness of soul, being immortal and imperishable, आत्मा कभी मरती नहीं है, ये सब हम जानते हैं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कोई शरीर छोड़ देते हैं तो हम हंसते हैं. हंसना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं. Of course, we feel sad because we are missing someone. But, I should not allow myself, I should not allow those thoughts to dominate me and make me feel depressed and mentally handicapped. But on the other hand, when I am aware that I am a soul and the soul, jo mar gaye, the soul just left the body, but that soul is immortal. The soul is there. We are always connected. As souls, we are always connected. They have changed the body, the dress badli kiya hai, but the soul is there. So we are always connected. तो ये जो बातें हैं, जो स्पिरिचुअल जो ट्रूथ है, ये जानने से क्या होता है, हमारे जो इमोशंस के ऊपर कंट्रोल होता है. एंड अनदर थिंग इज, when I'm missing someone, and at that time when I remember their specialities and when I express the gratitude, उन आत्माओं को इतना सुख मिलता है. On the other hand, when I grieve, sit, cry, mourn, तो क्या होता है, वो vibrations उनको दुख पहुंचाते हैं. They feel, they say that उन आत्माओं को सुख नहीं मिलेगा, दुख ही मिलेगा. Because you are very close to them. So जो हमारे जो closest members होते हैं, we are all very well connected, है ना, subtly. तो इसलिए ना हम कहते हैं ना, जो वेरी नियर एंड डियर वंस जो बहुत दूर है, लेकिन उन लोगों को दुख होता है तो यहाँ बैठ के ही वो दुख महसूस करते हैं. They feel uncomfortable and they call and they will find that they are in some trouble. See, we are connected, right? ऐसे आत्मा शरीर छोड़ के चली गई बट कनेक्टेड. तो हमको क्या करना है इस अवेयरनेस के साथ साथ, उन आत्माओं से आपने क्या सीखा, what all good things you learned from those souls, वो याद करना. And then you express that gratitude and you say that I have learned so many things from you. I'm really grateful to you. आप हमारे साथ ही है सदा और आपके गाइडेंस मेरे साथ ही है, ऐसा आप संकल्प लाएंगे, then those souls will really feel comfortable, happy, and they'll give you, automatically, आप उनके जो good wishes है आपके पास पहुंची जाएंगे. So this is how we, show our love, to the departed souls. And पहले कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी आया है कि if I can do meditation with a guided commentary, I can only do guided meditation. Is it okay, sister? Yeah, it's okay. Beginners के लिए guided meditation helps a lot, and you use the tool. You keep doing meditation through listening to those commentaries, and it will help you. और धीरे धीरे आपका अभ्यास आप बढ़ाएंगे तो naturally, without meditation commentary, you can do it. Seeing colors while meditating, it's seeing colors, कई लोग ऐसे colors use करते हैं. If you're comfortable, and if it helps you, you can use. But it's not compulsory that you need to use the colors. Colors इसलिए यूज करते हैं मेडिटेशन में ताकि फोकस्ड हो, माइंड फोकस्ड हो, डाइवर्ट ना हो जाए. तो इसके लिए they visualize those color rays and all that. Is it important to visualize that shining dot between the eyebrows while meditating? It's just visualize there is a shining star here. Just bring a thought. You're not going to see anything or as a vision जैसा कोई सामने light ऐसे दिखेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. And we don't have that aim also in meditation. हमको कुछ दिखना चाहिए, साक्षात्कार ऐसा भी नहीं है. Just bring a thought that I am a soul, I am sitting here. Just bring a thought, just visualize there is a light here. That's it. In a day, for how long should you do meditation? Is there any time limit? देखिए, हम कहते हैं एक दिन में 3 बार मेडिटेशन करना अच्छा है. Minimum 3 times a day. One is early in the morning and in the evening. Early in the morning का मतलब before sunrise, and शाम को after sunset, and before retiring to bed. तो जो तीसरा है गुड नाइट मेडिटेशन कहो या लास्ट वो मेडिटेशन में आप खॉट के ऊपर ही बैठ के आप मेडिटेशन करेंगे. बाकी का जो मेडिटेशन आप अलग से एक जगह पर बैठ के करेंगे. सो रात को सोने के पहले यू सिट ऑन द कॉट, थैंक एवरीवन, योर फैमिली मेंबर्स एंड ऑल द पीपल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, एंड देन थैंक गॉड. और जो भी मन में you have any burden and anything to uncover, I mean, just let it out. Just tell God whatever you want to share with him. Open your mind to him, share everything, and then you tell him that you are always with me and I am your sweet child and I am a peaceful soul. ऐसा करके फिर आप सोने के लिए जाना. So we say that at least 3 times a day, and every time minimum we say 10 or 15 minutes. ये अच्छा है. एक बार आप मेडिटेशन में बैठेंगे तो 10 मिनट एटलीस्ट मिनिमम करना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay. There is a homework. Okay, I'll show you the slide. Homework as usual, 5 times meditation आप practice करना, and then self talk journal मैं वंदना बहन को भेजूंगी WhatsApp में, and she can send it to all. And this is the 4A model is just a practice, okay? Always we can do this. The homework, ये दोनों homework है. Self talk journal आप लिखेंगे और 5 बार meditation practice करेंगे. ठीक है? Let's meditate for a minute. I sit relaxed. I slowly withdraw my attention from outside and turn inwards. I ask myself, who am I? I am a soul. I'm not this body. I am the controller, master of this body. I am a soul. Sitting in the center of the forehead, in between the eyebrows. A tiny little star. I am an imperishable soul. My true nature is peace. I am a peaceful soul. The rays of peace emanate from me, the soul, and spread throughout this body, making this body peaceful, healthy. I am a loving soul. Peaceful soul. Om Shanti. 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 Thank you.